Blood in sperm. Today's video is all about blood in your semen. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know the causes of blood in sperm and treatment. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case you are new on this very channel, consider to subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what is blood in semen or blood in your sperm? I know that every man must be worried when he sees blood in his sperm or in his semen. It is something to be worried. But how are you going to know that there is blood in your semen? During intercourse, your sperm will be released inside. Now, how are you going to know that there is blood inside it? It is going to be through withdrawal method for those people that don't want to release inside. When you do withdrawal method, eventually you see a blood in your sperm. I know that anyone that sees this must be worried. So what is blood in sperm? It is also called hematospermia. That is the presence of blood in sperm or in semen. So hematospermia is the presence of blood in sperm or semen. Now, what will be the cause? The causes are many. Number one cause of it is infection. Maybe if you have infection, it can cause blood in sperm. Number two is when you have prostate problem, it can cause blood in sperm. Number three is when there is a burst of small blood vessels during ejaculation, it can also cause blood in sperm. Chronic infections can cause it. When you have injury in your male reproductive system, it can cause it. So there are so many things that will cause blood in sperm. But assuming you experience this, do not be so much worried. At times, it can happen through all this. Now, what will be the treatment? The treatment goes this way. If you experience this, number one treatment, you don't need to worry because it will go on its own. But if the symptoms or this blood in sperm persist, that is when you will consult your healthcare provider to tell you some antibiotic you are going to take in order to terminate such ailments. So once you take antibiotic, it will help you to stop this problem. So once you experience blood in sperm, you don't need to worry much. It will go on its own. But on how the blood in sperm persists, that is continuous for days, weeks, that is when you need to consult your healthcare provider for proper treatment. And the treatment will be either taking of drugs and antibiotic, drug like antibiotic or inflammatory drugs, anti-inflammatory drugs. It will help you to get rid of this problem. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to put it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.